ADCES recognizes the need for simplified diabetes product coding, billing, and coverage resources for clinicians and billing staff. To meet this need, ADCES has engaged Policy Reporter to create an interactive coverage lookup tool. To understand continuous glucose monitoring coverage, begin a query by simply selecting your payer, plan type, and state of interest, and click the search button. If that combination has a policy, you will see it in the table below. A simple yes/no tells you if CGM is covered and if prior authorization is required. Click on the Coverage Summary button to view this payer's coverage criteria, which can include specifics like brand information, coding, and criteria. In the document column, you will see a link directly to the payer website to view the entire medical policy on your own, and if available, there will be a link to the specific prior authorization form required by that payer. Remove any of the criteria to expand or restart your search. Here are some answers to common questions that might come up as you navigate this tool. If your query returns no results, try being a little less specific. You can remove the payer or plan type and browse the payer names that appear in the results. Some payers don't make their policy available publicly. In those cases, please contact the payer directly. If you choose a payer without a plan type, you may notice that that payer has multiple policies with different criteria by plan type. For a definition of plan types and answers to other common questions, please see the FAQ section.